Families, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is my harvested Ogo life and direct, right from my farm, from my garden in front of my house in my balcony. Yes, so come on. What do you want to cook? Is it Ogo soup? Ofogo? Kobo dikaiko?
Family, this is my meat stock for the soup that I'm about to make, the vegetable soup, the ugu leaf that I plucked yesterday. Today I decided to prepare the soup today being Sunday. So I've already washed my meat, my goat meat, my liver, my stockfish, and my dry fish. All of them are inside this pot now. I have boiled it because it was gonna take a lot of time, so I said let me do it bit by bit. So I prepared it to make it easier for me today because I'll be attending to this service, so I don't want to miss anything and I don't want to, be cut off with time. So here is it. See the water that is boiling now. This is my meat stock on there. That is boiling. I drained the water after boiling it last night. Here I boiled it last night. So there. And here comes our main vegetable for this soup. Okay. Our vegetable. This is the ugu that I plucked yesterday. Ugu leaf. This is our Ukazi. This is correct vegetable soup. Ukazi. And this is my spinach. Some people call it water leaf. That is what I'm gonna use to prepare it. So, okay. What's in the soup right now, family? I want to add the crayfish to the soup. Yes. We'll add crayfish. Our food is almost ready. And crayfish, that is called crayfish. Okay, add my ready. A little of my fresh pepper, ground by me. Can add pepper to your taste. Now, it's Maggie, everyone is a star. Yes, so cute. It's okay for this soup. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna pour our meat, stockfish, dry fish, and all the potatoes that are inside the pot. And the pot. I use microwave to parboil this. I use microwave to parboil it so that it makes the work easier for me. Like parboil it for 20 minutes and drain the water out, so that, because if we put it off and leave it without draining the water, the whole meat will be too soft by the time you're gonna cook it. So after parboiling it with microwave, I have to drain out the water. That was what was boiling on the fire.
in the pot. Yeah. Just let me taste it for pepper, salt. Okay, because sauce content is okay for now. Periwinkle mechaka. This is Ghana pepper. This pepper has its own flavor and sweet taste and aroma. Yeah, it's not the same thing as the other pepper. Okay, so I will allow it to simmer for some minutes. Then let me quickly blend my Ukazi soup. Let me quickly blend my Ukazi leaf. This Ukazi, you can use it like this as it's already sliced, but when I prepare my vegetable soup, I like blending it. Even if when I don't even have blender, I used to pound it a little as my strength can carry me. So this morning I'm gonna blend it so that you get that smooth taste of Ukazi. Okay. Our split is almost ready. I usually use onion to prepare my vegetable, but what I do, I add it towards the end of the cooking. Yeah, just it simmers a little, I'll bring down my soup. Everything is ready now. I've blended my Ukazi. If you don't like a chewing onion when you're eating, you can blend it and pour it at the end of the day. It gives the soup a sweet aroma and taste too. Adds more vitamins to your soup. Yeah. Okay. See, you can see everything is ready. Now to add our vegetable. So add our vegetable. Usually I'll add a little oil. Add my vegetables before I add my Ukazi. That's because you know Ukazi is a hard leaf. Cleansing first, followed by my coco. Because I blended it, I'm not allowing it to boil for simmer for some minutes. Nigeria. This is sweet. Wow. Sweet, too sweet, too sweet. I wish you, my families, my YouTube family, you can come along and enjoy this soup with me. It's my plantain flour. My husband will always prefer yam flour and I go for plantain flour. Okay? Wow. All you my relatives making a nyanga for me that you're eating fresh ugu. You can see fresh ugu in my pot now. Okay? You can feel fresh, you go come and join me and eat it too, enjoy it too. I'm not a selfish person, that's what I'm inviting you. No need to make mouth again for me. You can see my vegetable soup. You can see it too, you can feel it too. It's my spinach. I had to blanch it with hot water. So when the excess water. Oh, people, our soup is ready. Our soup is ready. Our soup is ready. Ready. I see. Can't wait to come back from church to enjoy this special meal. I can't wait though. I can't wait. To enjoy this beautiful, special, delicious, tantalizing soup. I can't wait. I'm already. My belly. Even if I said my husband comes back, I said we're going to eat it this morning. I will reject it. I will refuse that offer because this soup, it's too good. I'm going to be tested this one. Okay. Thank you, family.